Hi, Life Learners. I welcome you back to our YouTube channel. If you are joining us on this YouTube channel for the first time, I will urge you to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because for you not to miss out in our next video. I would like to introduce myself again. My name is Hori Miwa, the speaker on this YouTube channel. What we do on this YouTube channel is we solve how to make life better for our people out there. So, as I said in my last video, that in the next video I'll be sharing to you how to be successful when you don't have enough. So that's what I'm about to tell you today, guys. So, Einstein said, those who attempt the assault can achieve the impossible. That is beautiful. Yes, that's self motivation for you. If you don't attempt the assault, there's no way you will be able to achieve the impossible. I told to a friend one day, I said, if they bring 1,000 motivational speakers to you and telling you a different story, you checking your head as like a grammar lizard as if you are listening and guessing their points. I said, you will surely do what you want to do. Forget about anything. You have the total domination over your life. You have the 100% domination over your life. So the only way you will be able to achieve in the middle of nothing is to motivate yourself. Self-motivation that can keep you going. You don't need third party, you don't need second party, you don't need anybody to motivate you. You have to motivate yourself. Second point I bring to you is know your value. Know who you are. Believe in yourself. Know what you can do. Know what you are up to. Know your value. So Einstein also said that once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. That's very, very true. Once we accept the limits, we go beyond them. Once we accept the limits, what's the limit? What's the limit? I can remember the code that shoots for the moon. So when you miss, we'll be among the star. Not shoot for the star. When you miss, you'll be among the cloud. There's no way for you to stand in the cloud but to fall back. I don't want you to fall. So that's why it is very, very important for you that you should know your value. Know who you are. Believe in your strength. Have the strong mind in yourself. I will keep going. In this business, I will achieve it. In this video creation, I will achieve it. In this or this, I will achieve it. Some people are professors. I want to be. Know your value. Know the man in you. Know the ego. Know the pride in you. Don't settle for less. The third tip is consistency. Consistency. I said in the last video, consistency is the soul of our business. You have to be consistent. If you don't keep showing up, there's no way people will be able to stick to you. You have to keep showing up. You have to be there for people when they need you. Consistency. Your business needs you the more. Consistency. Your family needs you the more. Consistency. Einstein says that you never fail until you stop trying. Forget that people are not patronizing. Forget that people are not viewing your videos. Just keep showing up. The day you stop, you fail. I don't want you to fail. So that's why you need to be consistent. If you watched the last video, I said consistency in building a house is just like a laborer. If you don't labor, how will you be able to build yours? That's why consistency is very, very matter. You have to be consistent. Number 4 is look at your partner while you stay on your own. One of the ways that you can achieve success is for you to look at your partner or you stay alone. So business does not require partner. It requires consistency and hard work. Some businesses require partner, life partner, and all. Look at your partner. The fifth tip I bring to you is look out for income. I choose all these tips randomly because I realize that most people are not watching this video because they don't have a wife or because they don't have a partner, but because they need someone to enlighten them how to make money, how to grow when they don't have enough. So look out for income. Make sure that you look out for a way that you can be bringing in something, maybe daily basis, on weekly basis, or monthly basis. It will help you to achieve in the middle of nothing. It will help you to do what to achieve in the middle of nothing. Check out for any means that you can achieve to achieve the income, to make money. That will surely help you. The last tip is focus on the destination, not the pathway, not the journey. In the journey of success, there's a lot of challenges. Yes, I told a friend when he said he wants to share his life story and stuff, I said, are you not a successful man? He said no. So why should you tell us your story? We not listen to anything from you because you are not yet successful. He said why? Because people want to listen to story that can change their life. If you tell me a testimony that is not fascinating, I'll just look into it. Anytime I see something from you, I just take it up because I don't see anything valuable in you. So you have to focus on the journey for you to get to the destination. Einstein says ship is safe at the shore, was not built to stay there. That's why you know that when you sleep in your house, you are safe, but You are not meant to stay in your house to succeed and be successful. You have to check out for something. You have to look out for something for you to achieve when you don't have enough. And the last but not the least is prayer. Prayer. Steve Harvey said, prayer changes everything. And I love that. Prayer changes everything. Me, I'm a Christian. You might be a Muslim brother, you might be a Muslim sister, you might be a Judaist, any religion, but you believe in something aside from your goal and your aspiration, which is the God that you serve. You have to pray. Prayer will keep you going. Prayer will keep you going. And I want to tell you in my next video, I'm not meant to share to you this time, but in my next video, I will share to you some different ways that you can try to achieve money, to make something happen, for you to be successful in your own, which is the number 5th tip that I give to you. Look out for income. I've met with different people and they give me clue of different things that you can do to achieve something. So in my next video, I will share to you. Remember that I've not failed to you guys. I've not failed in times of promises. I will surely give you. I'm not up to give you this time, but I have to. Grace Life Learners. Hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget, if you are interested in joining our community, just subscribe. Stay safe and stay out of troubles. Grace Life Learners.